Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon roses. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients and tools needed for this elegant dish. Focus on selecting fresh, high-quality salmon and perfectly seasoned sushi rice. Having your workspace organized with a sharp knife and a damp cloth makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the salmon. Achieving thin, consistent slices is absolutely key to creating beautiful salmon roses. Use a very sharp knife and slice against the grain for the best texture and appearance. Remember to keep your knife slightly damp. This simple trick prevents the delicate salmon from tearing or sticking, making your cuts clean and precise. This is where the magic happens. Start with a small, oval-shaped base of sushi rice, roughly 15 grams. Then, carefully wrap your first salmon slice around the rice, forming the very center of your rose. Continue adding more salmon slices, slightly overlapping each one, to build up the beautiful, layered petals. Gently press to secure each piece, shaping it into a delicate, blooming flower. To complete your exquisite salmon roses, add a delicate garnish. A tiny bit of bright orange tobacco or a fresh sprig of dill adds both color and a hint of flavor. Arrange your finished roses beautifully on a platter. Presentation truly enhances the dining experience. Serve them promptly with your favorite accompaniments like soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.